everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you one feature available in Android's Signal private messenger app is missing in iOS. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I have two different smartphones. So you can see the right side is a iOS device, that is the iPhone device, and the left side is an Android device. So the feature related to the Signal private messenger app, which is available in the Android smartphone, is missing in the iOS device. So you can see here I have installed a Signal application here too in the iOS and even here in the Android. So what the feature that is missing? So let me show you by opening the Signal application in my Android devices. So when I open the Signal applications, you can see a three dot icons here on the right top corner, right? So just click on it and you can see your settings. Just click on it. So now here you can see one feature, that is SMS and MMS. So you can use this option as set as a default SMS application other than only a messenger application. So you can set this Signal application as a default SMS applications too. That is, both you can use as a SMS and a messenger applications in your Android smartphone. That is the Signal applications. So this feature you won't be able to get in the Signal applications of iOS devices. So in the Signal application for iOS devices, such options to make a Signal private messenger as a SMS applications, you will not be allowed due to the iOS privacy rules. So this is a sad part. Rest almost every features of the Signal private messenger that you are getting in the Android smartphone is almost same in the iOS device too. But sadly, you can't make Signal applications in your iOS device as a normal SMS applications that you can do in your Android smartphones too. So this is a sad part, and it might have been a very useful applications if you compare it with Android devices, if iOS 2 had an option to make third-party messenger application as a SMS applications rather than just using the iMessages that comes preloaded with every iOS devices. So this is the one very useful features which is missing in the iOS Signal applications. So what we can do, this is a sad part. So only if Apple allows it, then only we'll be able to use Signal as a both SMS and messenger applications. So if you never known about this missing features, then it's really something sad part. But what we can do, it's totally depend on the iOS privacy rules. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.